go. There's northern Indiana.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm during periods of potentially severe weather. Special receivers are activated to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat for severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day.
Not know what to speak.
Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana: Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio: Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan: Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return you to normal programming.
Okay, so that was Northern Indiana's test. Oh shit. It scared the fuck out of me. Oh my god, it's chaotic. It's chaotic in here.
These receivers by the system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is no threat or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the National
Holy crap, it's chaotic in here. Listen to all those stations.
The warning alarm transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in North Central and Illinois.
Listen to all those stations.
Affecting all counties in North Central and Northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far Northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability normally more noticeable.
Oh my god, it's chaotic.
Will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is the forecast.
Alright, I found something I gotta do more often.